Alhamdulillah, we are here in day 2 for meeting our orphans and interviewing them. So, for our day 2, first of all, we started off the day with distributing 120 food aid packs and 120 hygiene kits. So, inside these hygiene kits, we have their essential sanitary items like tissues, we have dignity kits, we have some sponges, dishwashing soap, body gels, and detergents and whatnot. And also, for the food aid packs, we are giving them essential local items like pasta, burgul, oil, luncheon. These are the items the people here eat. And these items are for the family of the orphans, and it can last them for about a month. After we have distributed the food aid packs and hygiene kits, we will start our umrah briefing, where the orphans following us to umrah will be taught how to use the ihrams, how to tawaf, how to do the sa'i, and of course, how do they get their head shaven, inshallah.
في لباس الإحرام اللي هو الإزار بدنا نمسكه كالآتي، ركزوا معي، بنلفه حوالين جسمنا.
اللباس الإحرام شو بتشعر؟
بس عم
فرحة إن شاء الله. أوكي، كيف اللباس هاي؟ تمام. And after we are done with our umrah course, we'll be meeting with one girl orphan to hear more about her story, how excited she is to go for her umrah, inshallah. So tomorrow, it is a very, very important and huge day for us because we have orphans not only from Irbid, but from Amman, from Jerash, and all over Jordan to come and meet together in Amman and to flag off from the bus and start our journey to the Holy Lands, inshallah. This coming Ramadan, thousands in Gaza will wait anxiously for their iftar, unsure if there will be food to break their fast. For just $5, you can provide a warm meal and restore hope. Join us in feeding a fasting family and earn immense rewards.